Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm being indecent again. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Centrex by Pioneer. Looks like an RH-65. This comes from Don in Lansing, Illinois. You might remember from a previous video that Don sent me another RH-65, so Don must be a fan of this model, as am I. It is a nice model. It's a very safe investment. Uses mostly generic parts. I can replace the motors in them. It's a good deck to buy if you're in the market for a decent recording deck. So let's go ahead and pop this tape in here. Make sure this puppy works. Got some Neil Sedaka. Okay, gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Let's make sure we got both outputs working, which we do. Okay, now let's switch tracks. Okay, you saw that left channel momentarily dropped out, and now it's got a test tone in it. That's my fault. That's from injecting test signals into the tape deck while a tape is playing. It ends up getting recorded on the tape, and in some cases it'll erase what's on the tape.
The coop knocked the blues for a I see you smile. Smiling to the girl. Fun, put the blues on the run.
All right, today I've been doing Herb Alpert after Neil, so let's pop some Herb in there. Just to make sure I didn't get lucky with that last tape. She's ready to go back. And one thing I'll mention, this deck has Dolby noise reduction. I don't recommend using Dolby, even if the tapes were recorded with Dolby. All my life, all I have ever experienced from Dolby is reduction of treble. I have not noticed any significant reduction in noise unless it was also a significant reduction in music. So I just don't recommend ever using Dolby. All it does is cut down your treble, and 8-track tapes need all the treble they can get. The first Dolby system was not a very effective noise reduction system. DBX was just incomparably better. DBX unfortunately came along after the 8-track craze died away. Dolby's all we got for noise reduction. I don't recommend using Dolby. I also never ever recommend using the fast forward feature because after 30, 40, 50 years, 8-track tapes need to be packed evenly on the hub. Anytime you press that fast forward button, that section of tape is going to be wound more tightly on the hub than the rest of the tape. That could lead to jams. That's one thing you don't want to happen with an 8-track tape is for the cartridge to jam up. I don't recommend using fast forward. Pause is probably okay. I definitely don't recommend using the fast forward button. Alrighty, so now that I've ranted on that, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. I'm going to spare you guys the drill. I'm sure you've heard it a zillion other times. Thanks for watching.